Because the sea reminds me of my childhood, and because we always dream of the sea, well, I always dreamt of the sea, what better way to show it if not by making a film? But the best way to watch the sea is to have this satellite view, and that changes everything. Having filmed in the air to make us fly like birds and deep underground to reveal the secrets of insects, French filmmaker Jacques Perrin now takes us to the depths of the planet's oceans. To achieve these spectacular images, Perrin spent several years researching and filming, accumulating hundreds of hours of video material. The beauty of the sea was his inspiration, but in space, he has found his best ally. With these as satellites, we have another view, and this is what we also show in the film. We show this eye observing the oceans, and not so much the oceans as what men do to oceans. The currents, the beautiful rivers, the oxygen in the sea bring pollution with them, but that's not all. It's not just damage. We also show the beauty, the salinity, the movement of the currents. To watch all that from the sky is like being in a heavenly balcony, like gods watching the theatre of this beautiful planet. The European Space Agency plays an important role in Perrin's new film and in the knowledge and protection of the oceans in general. It's thanks to ESA's Earth observation missions and the constant measurements taken by satellites such as SMOS that we can now assess factors such as soil moisture, ocean salinity, and temperature at a global scale. This helps scientists to get a better understanding of ocean circulation and therefore help them better explain and predict our climate. But satellites can only give measurements, not solutions. They can point at islands of plastic emerging in the middle of the Pacific, but they cannot clean our seas. With his new film, Oceans, Perrin wants to awake our consciousness and make a call to action. What we need now is for decisions to be taken. What we need now is a protection force for the sea, so that everyone understands that treating the sea this way does not make good sense. Everyone has to understand that. Pollution and overfishing are putting the diversity of our oceans at great risk. The beautiful images captured by Perrin's camera show an exuberant ecosystem, but they also show us how extremely fragile it is. When you see the exuberance, the diversity, the incredible beauty of these animals, it's magnificent. When we know how extraordinary they are, and we realize how extremely fragile they also are.